everyone is having a blessed day. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious ceviche at home. What is ceviche? Ceviche is a cold dish consisting of fish or shellfish marinated in citrus that originated in Central and South America. My ingredients today are Roma tomatoes, jalapeno, cilantro, sweet pepper, onion, lemon, avocado, salt, black pepper, and shrimp. For my preparation, I'm gonna cut all my ingredients into small pieces. My ingredients have been cut into small little pieces. The finer you cut them, the better it looks and the easier it is to eat. I am using cooked shrimp for my ceviche today, but if you prefer to use raw shrimp or fish, you have to let it marinate for a minimum of 4 hours. In the 4 hours, the lemon or lime juice will cook or cure the raw shrimp or fish. We are ready to make our ceviche. We're gonna add all our ingredients except our avocado. We're gonna mix it up and we're gonna let it sit for about an hour. Later, we're gonna add our avocado. Once you mix your ceviche well, give it a taste. If your ceviche tastes a little bit sour, you can add orange juice or pieces of mango. This time, I'm gonna add some orange juice. That's gonna help with the sourness. Once your ceviche is seasoned to your taste, we're gonna cover it and let it marinate for about an hour in your refrigerator. Once your ceviche has marinated for an hour, we're gonna cover it and add our last ingredient, avocado. We add our avocado last because if we add it too early, it tends to get mushy. Our avocado is mixed in, our ceviche is ready to be served. Our ceviche is served. It's time to enjoy it. Thank you for watching.